Meet the Xiaomi Mi Smart Bulb, offering millions of colors, voice control, app connectivity, and energy-efficient lighting to brighten your home the smart way. What's in the box? Inside the box, you'll find the Xiaomi Mi Smart Bulb, along with a user manual and a quick start guide to help you get set up and connected in just a few minutes. Plug and pair. Plug the Xiaomi Mi Smart Bulb into a compatible E26 or E27 socket and switch it on. Download and open the Xiaomi Home app, then sign in and tap the plus icon to add a new device. Make sure your phone is connected to a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. If the bulb isn't detected, reset it by turning the power on and off until it starts blinking. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete pairing. Assign the bulb to a room and enjoy smart control through the app or with Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa. Smart features? Bring your space to life with 16 million vibrant colors and adjustable brightness. Create the perfect atmosphere for relaxing, working, gaming, or entertaining with just a tap. Control your lighting from anywhere using the Xiaomi Home app or simple voice commands with Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa for effortless everyday convenience. Specifications. FAQs. Safety precautions. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link in the description below to grab your Xiaomi Mi Smart Bulb. See you in the next one.